for southwestern Lincoln County, central Oklahoma, east central Oklahoma County, central Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles north of me, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazard including tornadoes. This is a reality threat alert. The following events are restricted. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Traffic is likely. Locations of hazards include South Denver, Wilmington, and Warwick. Interstate 44 between mile marks and 166 and 166. Cover now. Move to a strong shelter. Or enter the room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. Secure all doors. In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Live in the WBAP Weather Center. New warnings are now being issued for EAS, Hood, and Somerville counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for 7 additional counties west of Dallas-Fort Worth: Somerville County, Hamilton County, ERAF, Bosque, Mills, Hood, and southeastern Comanche County until 9:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Gordon. Thunderstorm warning is in effect now for Somerville County, Hamilton County, ERAF, Bosque, Mills, Hood, and southeastern Comanche County until 9:30. Severe thunderstorms located along a line from near Gordon down to Gustine, moving east at 40 miles per hour, potential 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. In North Texas, Dave. thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County, northwestern Collin County, southeastern Cook County, southwestern Grayson County until 9:45. A line of severe thunderstorms leading edge near Crum or near Denton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This particular warning now has a tag of 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, outbuildings, and any high-profile vehicles. A reminder that a tornado watch remains in effect until 2 tomorrow morning for north central Texas in general. And you need to be inside a sturdy structure, out of your car, in a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows because we probably have some broken windows. Also, this tag from the Weather Service. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is still best to move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage from wind. So far, we've had wind